Yo guys, welcome to my second vlog. Today we're going to talk about relational dialectics. Relational dialectics focuses more on two people, especially in a relationship, or let's say in a relationship. This relationship has the contradiction. Now, it is said to believe in this theory that these contradictions through time will result in the sustainability of a relationship. Now, there are four concepts regarding this one. The first is the contradiction. It is said that the two of you are the exact opposite. The second is the totality. It's when the opposite reaches a certain conclusion, or when it reaches the truth, or the opposites unite. The third is the process. As you go through a long time, this process simultaneously continue within a relationship in a recurring manner, meaning you are in a contradiction and then you reach totality. And then it goes through time. That's what process is. And the fourth is the praxis. It is when the two of you, even if you are on a contradicting manner, you reaches the same conclusion or the same answer in order to fulfill your needs.